3, 2, wait, is my makeup good?
Yep.
Is my hair okay? Is my beard good?
Perfect.
Hey, I'm Dan. Welcome back to True Blue TV. And today we're up in St. Cloud for the old squatter house. And now it's redone. And I'm excited to show you around here. And that's messed up. Here's the kitchen. This is the biggest difference to me. I was so impressed because I knew it was going to look so good, but I didn't think it was going to be this good. This is such a great area for entertaining. And one thing that we didn't kind of plan on was this little niche in here. This is where the old stove used to be. And now it's a perfect place to throw like your bills and your keys when you come home. It's awesome. This is one of my favorite houses that I've done. There was a fire here, and as you see, everything's brand new. It looks super great. And we had squatters here that were doing fentanyl and crack and all other kinds of drugs. But now it's like a brand new house, and I'm excited to show you guys around. So here's the living room. We redid all the floors here. We put new basin all the way around. Touched up all the walls, fixed everything, fixed this china hutch, fireplace, everything looks great. The acoustics are awesome in here. So if you play guitar, this is a wonderful place to sit in front of a fireplace and play your guitar.
Don't catch me playing guitar.
I have to.
Why?
Because.
Then you should do a good song.
Or just yell at your kids, I guess. We can go back here and redid the bathroom, new fixtures, new toilet, new lights. We left the shower the same, but new flooring. This is such a better upgrade here compared to what it was. And then the two main floors on this level. One room here, I would think this would be the master, maybe. Or the other one. It's pretty much the exact same, but same thing with both of these. We covered up the hardwood floor. I think people like to have carpet where they sleep so their feet don't get cold, and it's just more comfy feeling. But two basically identical rooms, same thing. New windows, new window trim, new base trim, new closet doors, new door handles, fixed up all the plaster walls and repainted everything. And there's still some remnants of it being an older home with the grills on some of the covers here for the vents. We had this specially made just to keep with the date of the house, but some things still are the same here. All right, we're upstairs, and I guess it's a loft / bedroom, but this is super cool. I love the architectural stuff in here. Just all the design of it. It's like kind of what they made to make it functional out of what they had. So this is, I would say, like a little den area or a play area. One of my favorite parts out here is we have a little entrance to a little flat roof patio, which would be so fun for entertaining and just sitting up here taking in some sun. It's just, I love this house. This house is super cool.
I love that the gate is like little hearts.
Yeah. Just show your love for the sun.
Aww.
It's praising the sun to the sun god. We put new flush mount lights in, keep them up tight because there's not a lot of headroom in here. Obviously, if you're a tall person, probably like 7 foot, you're gonna hit your head. Or we had to customize a lot of these doors to fit as well because the openings were so small. In here would be bedroom and walk-in closet. And again, we covered up the wainscoting, we just painted it all. But this was a really fun job to see the progress of it and the before and after. This part up here was mainly used by the people that were doing drugs. So we came in here, there was just piles of bags and tin foil and needles and everything else. It was disgusting. But everything got remediated and was taken care of, so it's a clean, functioning house now that I just love it. It's beautiful. Walk-in closet here. Same thing, another flush mount. Yeah, it's a great little closet for a little bedroom or a master bedroom. I don't know, whoever wants to be up here can. I'm sure it probably gets a little hot in the summertime. Basement was pretty simple again. A lot of drug use was happening down here and a lot of disgusting things. So this all got remediated as well. The whole house got remediated. But this all got cleaned up, and now we have a functioning laundry room. We have a functioning bathroom that got cleaned up, painted, new toilet. Come out here into the living room. All new flooring, all new paint again. Obviously, it's a dated house, but we can make it look a little bit modern with our choices of paint and color. We didn't do much here in the utility room. Put a new furnace in, so that's gonna keep this house up and running for a while. And then we have a little den. This room was just dark as heck and no door on it. We had to make some custom pieces to make it work around the door frame, but put some new ceiling tiles in. We got some light in here, so it's a perfect little spot for a workshop or a den or something of that nature. And a smoke detector. Yeah. Yeah. And another one. Yeah. Just in case the house starts on fire. Subscribe or I'll karate chop you in the throat. No, I'm just kidding. Sorry, I almost hit you.
That's more aggressive than last time.
I'll kick you. All right, thanks for coming along with us today. It was my pleasure to show you this house, and like I said, it was one of my favorite houses to do. So hopefully you guys find this very interesting and fun too, and you like this video. So like it, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.